here. And if you see here, right, earlier this response was coming from OpenAI. Now this one is, right, it is using this Excel MCP. Okay. Now we will see this file, right, in whether it has created actually or not. I will go to my D drive. Just remember top novel list. D drive top. See, it has created here top novel list. Just now you can see here it is 1836 times just now. So I'll open this. So it has created one new sheet called top novels, and yeah, here see it has created author and novel, right, and summary. So you can see, right, it has created created basically, right, this file MCP server has created. So it's good, right? So let me check, right? So with enduring popularity, right? So all those details, right, it has created it. So that's cool, right? Our work is so easy now using this MCP server, right?